Welcome. Today, we're diving into the best settings to optimize your Samsung Galaxy Watch's battery life and performance. We'll cover everything from display tweaks to power modes, ensuring your watch lasts longer and runs smoother. In 2026, Samsung has rolled out several key updates driven by AI to help optimize the usage of your battery. Galaxy watches use lithium ion batteries, the same technology powering most modern electronics. These batteries come in different capacities ranging from 300 to 590 milliamp hours, depending on the specific model. However, all lithium-ion batteries degrade over time. This natural process reduces their ability to hold a charge, meaning your Galaxy Watch's battery life will gradually decrease with regular use. To maximize your battery's lifespan, Samsung recommends keeping charge cycles to about 80% of the battery's capacity. This means avoiding fully discharging or overcharging your watch, which helps preserve the battery's health over many years of use. Understanding these battery fundamentals, from lithium-ion technology and capacity ranges to degradation patterns and optimal charging practices, will help you make informed decisions about your Galaxy Watch's charging habits and daily usage. Your watch's display is the biggest power consumer, consuming significant battery life. Disable always-on display to save 10 to 20% of your battery. This setting keeps the screen lit constantly, draining power. Enable auto brightness to automatically adjust based on surrounding light. This prevents unnecessary high brightness that drains battery. Set the screen timeout to 15 seconds to turn off the display quickly when inactive. Longer timeouts keep the screen on unnecessarily. These simple display settings adjustments significantly extend your watch's battery life by reducing power consumption. Samsung Galaxy Watches offer 3 power modes to help you manage battery life. Standard mode provides full features with 3 to 5 days of battery life. Power Saver limits some features for 2 to 3 days. Max Power Saver uses a black and white display only for 1 to 2 days when you need maximum battery savings. Consider using Power Saver during the day for balanced performance and battery life. Switch to Max Power Saver when you need to stretch the last bit of juice. The adaptive battery feature learns your usage habits to automatically optimize power consumption, helping save up to 20% more battery life. Background apps constantly drain battery. Limit apps running in the background to only essential ones. Apps running in the background consume battery power even when you're not actively using them. This constant activity can significantly reduce your watch's battery life. Go through your app list and disable background permissions for non-essential apps. Keep only the apps you need running in the background, like health tracking or critical notifications. Also, control app notifications to prevent constant screen wake-ups. Frequent notifications cause the display to turn on repeatedly, significantly draining battery power. To keep your Galaxy Watch running smoothly, regularly clear the cache to free up memory used by temporary files. Close unused apps to reduce background processing that can slow down the device. Enable optimized battery usage for all apps to prevent them from draining resources unnecessarily. Restart your watch regularly to refresh the system and clear any memory issues. Finally, install software updates to benefit from performance improvements and bug fixes. Samsung is leading the way with AI-driven efficiency. Features like Eco Mode use machine learning to predict and conserve energy based on your usage patterns, reducing daily consumption by 15 to 25%. Looking ahead, expect solid-state batteries and quantum dot displays in future models for even better battery life. By 2030, expect a 30% battery life increase driven by AI and battery tech advancements. Real-world examples show the impact of optimizing your Galaxy Watch settings. A CNET review demonstrated how one user achieved a 150% efficiency gain through proper optimization techniques. Community feedback from Reddit users confirms these benefits, with an average 18% battery life increase when enabling the adaptive battery feature. Technology experts consistently praise Samsung's AI-powered battery features, noting how they rival the endurance of competitors like Garmin without sacrificing functionality. The key takeaway is clear. By applying optimal settings, you can boost your Galaxy Watch's battery life by 20 to 30%, making these features truly worthwhile.